Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are well, blessed and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's the time again of making amazing videos. So today is Tuesday after the long weekend that we had that was involving the Labor Day and all. I did laundry, but I have not folded. My house is a mess, especially the sitting room and the kitchen. So that's what we are going to be tackling today. So let's start off with me watching a series, Lynn Gogi's show that I really love, as we fold this laundry and then just move along. So if you're new here, karibu sana, kindly consider subscribing. And if you are my notification gang, you guys are the best. Like you know that your girl really appreciates it. So guys, without further ado, let's get straight into this video.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
So guys, there's nothing that gives me happiness like seeing empty laundry baskets. So we're going to put the clothes away where they need to be, and then we begin cleaning the sitting room. So for the seats, I always use water that has a little bit of Downy just to give it that fresh, nice smell, and a little bit of soap. So for the wood surfaces, I'm going to be using the Velvex Furniture Polish, and this is very nice and it has a very nice scent too. So guys, I have been seeing this thing. It's they call it a hand vacuum, being hyped on Facebook, and I got it and it really does work. It gets all the dirt, and to be honest, I really like it, especially if you have kids. This is going to be so good for you. So guys, we're going to begin cleaning. The house was not very dirty, so I was just like passing by with the mop to just get any loose dirt.
It's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah.
So guys, next we're going to go to the kitchen, and this was bad. It was just bad. So we're going to just clear the surfaces, clean up what needs to be cleaned, and wash these utensils and mop the floor.
Got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah.
So this Fisher glass tile window cleaner has become a favorite. It really smells so good, and it leaves my especially the tiles smelling so nice. And for the Meko, guys, I'm going to be using my vinegar mix. It was not so dirty, just dirt, but it was not greasy, so the vinegar mix works magic for it.
I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show.
So guys, once I'm done, I'm going to be using baking soda and vinegar to just put in the drain. It leaves the drain smelling fresher and better.
Let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep.
So outside, I'm going to be washing the dust bins, wiping the shoes, and to just clean that area that I use for laundry, and then we're going to make dinner.
Oh, when I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me.
So guys, for dinner we're going to be having mixed greens. That's just spinach and pumpkin leaves. So we're going to make that and cut it. We're going to have it with some liver and ugali. So let's just cook.
You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. You take me higher, baby. You take me higher. Yeah, you take me higher, baby.
So guys, to start off, we're going to start with making ugali, and then we're going to make the greens. For the greens, I'm only going to use oil, some onions, and 2 Royco cubes.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way, yeah. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start.
So guys, it's now time to make the amazing liver. So for the liver, we are going to need liver, of course, tomatoes, green capsicums, hoho, coriander, the Knorr beef cubes, and onions. So I'm just going to oil my pan, and then we're going to fry the onions. And guys, remember that there's a membrane that liver has, and that one is normally removed by my butcher. Always ensure you remove it so that you avoid having that chewy liver that's why people don't really like liver, but it is so good once you remove the membrane. So let's get cooking.
Savannah.
So guys, this is my trick with liver. Once the onions are ready, put in your liver and keep frying it. Just keep stirring it. After a while, cover, keep stirring it until it is ready. Don't add water to like sort of boil it. It cooks better, or it is sweeter if you just let it fry on its own with a little bit of oil. It really doesn't stick. Just keep stirring, and once it is ready, then now you can add your tomatoes, which I did and I forgot to film that part. So once you've added in your tomatoes, just let them cook. I added in a little bit of paprika. Let the stew, or rather let the liver cook. If you decide to have more stew, add more water, but I wanted mine to have a wet fry-ish, to be like wet fry, so that I would have it with ugali. So that's why I didn't add a lot of water.
I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk, Savannah. Lion's gonna come. The birds have just begun.
So guys, this is how our liver turned out. It was so good. So thank you so much guys for watching this video until the end. Try out this recipe and tell me how it turned out, and see you in the next video guys, and bye. Baraka guys.
We will always take a stand.